Hi. So I was trying to think, what can I do with all this leftover Thanksgiving? Something that is just not the same, eating the same turkey, mashed potatoes, dressing, all that good stuff. So I thought of something and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make some empanadas, Thanksgiving empanadas. So I'm gonna show you how I make Thanksgiving empanadas. So you're going to need your empanada disc, which you can get at your local Mexican store. They usually come like this. It's a pack of 10 usually. They're usually in the frozen aisle and you have to let them thaw for a little while. I actually separated them to make it easier on me once they was thaw, so that way I can just quickly grab them. And then I have these little parchment papers to separate them, but you can use anything in the kitchen to separate them if you like. I have my cornbread dressing, which I left over from last night. I have my turkey, which I am using thigh meat because it's tender and it'll mix well with this. And then I have my turkey gravy. Okay, so first you're going to just grab one disc. Okay, you're going to, so you need a little side of, I use water to kind of glue the sides, so I'm going to go get that real quick. I'm going to keep it right here. And you're going to need a fork. Okay. So first I'm going to go ahead and just grab the, stuffing, just about a spoon. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it from on one side, okay? Gonna kind of just smash it a little bit like that. Then I'm going to grab a couple pieces of the turkey. Just like that. And then I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of turkey gravy like that, okay? Then you wanna go with your finger, you wanna go ahead and just gently just kind of wet the edges, so that way it'll act as a glue. So when you fold it over, okay, then you're gonna just gently, do it this way so you can see. Gently, you're gonna just fold it over like that. Kind of just stretch it and kind of just press down. Just like that. And then with the fork, you're gonna just press it down like this. And there we go. Actually, here's the first empanada. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside while I keep making the other ones, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished making the empanadas, so now I'm going to fry them. So I'll show you right here. So I have the empanadas right here. I have oil, medium heat. You don't want it too hot because if not, they'll turn brown and they'll burn too quickly. So you want to go slow on this, okay? So I'd say probably about a minute and a half on each side, and then you should have a plate ready to go with a napkin to kind of absorb some of that grease, and then they're ready to go. All right, so here they are, super easy. Let's try them. You guys, the turkey, the cornbread dressing, the gravy from the turkey, and that fried dough, it's delicious. Try it.